Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss palpitation and short breath. According to Chinese medicine, it is called TAVR and trance, taking place in patients with coronary disease, high blood pressure, rheumatic heart disease, pulmonary heart disease, cardiac insufficiency, various kinds of cardiac arrhythmia, anemia, and hyperthyroidism. Excessive fatigue or excitement can lead to the excitement of supportive nerves, making heart beat fast and raising blood pressure. In a long-term state of excitement or under great pressure, these hormones will continue to secrete, affecting the heart and blood vessels first, resulting in palpitation and short breath. Palpitation and short breath may be associated with the mood and age or with cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, these warning signals emitted by the body should not be overlooked since they are the pre-warnings of cardiovascular diseases. Timely checkup and treatment can effectively prevent cardiovascular diseases. You can see here in the figure uh, the Taiyuan point or the lung line in the anterior region of the wrist between the radial styloid process and the scaphoid bone in the depression at the ulnar side of the abductor pollicis longus tendon. Next is the negruam point or the pericardium 6 between the two tendons about too soon above the wrist joint bend. Next is the Juke point or the REN 14 on the upper abdomen, 6 soon below the center of the navel on the anterior midline. Next is the Dangjong point or the REN 17 directly in the middle of the chest between the nipples. So this is the projection area of the heart. So next point is the Jin Shu point or the bladder 14 in the spine area, 1 point soon lateral to the posterior midline of the lower border of the spinous process of the fourth thoracic vertebra. Next is the Shin Shu point or bladder 15 under the fifth thoracic vertebra on the inner side of the scapula, 1 point soon, 5 soon, horizontally away. Next is the Gao Huang point or the bladder 43, 3 soon away from the spinous process of the fourth cervical vertebra. Next is the Shen Tang point or the bladder 44. It's 3 soon away from the fifth spinous process of the thoracic vertebra on the back. These are the corresponding area of the heart. For recommended procedures, first, the Jujun Shu point, Shin Shu point, and Gua Huang point and Shentang point. Use the surface scraping and dual angle scraping to scrape the corresponding area of the heart on the spine, and then use the surface scraping to scrape the Juyin Shu point, Shin Shu point, Gao Huang point, and the Shentang point. Next is the Dangjong point and Juqiu point. Use the single angle scraping to scrape slowly from Dangjong point to Juqiu point along the central line on the chest, and then use the flat scraping to scrape the projection area of the heart on the left chest from inside to outside. Next is the Taiwan point and the Neguan point. Use the surface scraping to scrape the Taiwan point and the Neguan point. The flat pressing and kneading can also be applied to press and knead Neguan point. The therapy to increase the curative effect. When tachycardia and palpitation attack, use the vertical pressing and kneading to press and knead the reflection area of the heart between the fourth metacarpal bone and the fifth metacarpal bone to ease the symptom. Thank you for your attention.